Oh my goodness, guys, you will not believe what just came in. And this is before her actual launch, so I'm going to be unboxing the new Budget by Paycheck workbook that you always see me use in my Budget With Me videos, and I'm super excited to unbox it and open it up and just see the new perfection that I'll be using. This is my first actual workbook. The one that I have now, I bought it off of, what was it, Mercari, but it wasn't, the coil was not there anymore. Someone took that off and put it in a binder, and some sheets were missing, but I finally have the actual workbook, and I'm super excited to open it up and show you guys. I'm so ready to open it. All right. You guys, I opened this wrong. Oh my goodness. As you can see, I don't really get mail from the Budget Mom, but this was the front, not the back, the other front. Oh. Alright, so we got some yellow paper, a little coupon thing, got a little bookmark, and here is the baby. Are you ready? Because I am. Oh my goodness, what imperfection is this? I apologize for that terrible unboxing. Do not know how to open a box, obviously. Oh, here is the beauty. I'm gonna take it out of the wrapper. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. I don't know what this is, but oh, look at that. And then if you are following her, she did mention that she will be adding instructions on how to do things. I am so happy she did this. I think I'm like most excited about this too, because I love coloring and filling stuff in, and this is really cute. So like a savings visual. Got the yearly spending, yearly balance, bill trackers, medical bill, thoughts and notes. Then we start off with the months. I love this. As some of you may know, blue is like my favorite color, and it's full of blue tones and blue patterns, and I'm also excited about this huge calendar spread. You can see it in both sheets instead of just one. So I'll be adding some stickers and making it look pretty. Oh, this is so beautiful, guys. What in the world? I love the blue. And it's pretty much the same like the other workbook. I'm so excited to finally have the actual workbook. I'm definitely gonna have tons of fun filling it all out. And I'm thinking of starting probably in November. Yeah, I'm gonna start in November because I can't wait. And then she's got a pocket folder, and I'm excited about these stickers that she added. It's another blank cardboard thing. So super excited about these stickers. They're so cute, and they're all different in each of the sheets. So I will be using them in November. So I'm gonna just put them right here. Oh my goodness, guys, I am in love with this new workbook. I'm excited to start working on them. It feels really good. The coil is very, very smooth, and I just love the feel of it. And I love the patterns, the design. I know I've read some comments about people who don't like it, but I love it. So thank you, Miko, for creating this, because it literally has saved my butt so many times with all these bills. I thought I knew how to budget, but obviously I didn't until I met, or not met her, but until I found her in her system, and I'm ready to use this workbook. And if you want to keep on watching, I'm going to fill some of my November bills. So if you don't want to watch, stop now. So this is all I'm gonna do for now. So far it looks pretty good. I'm definitely going to add more stickers, more designs, as well as more bills and appointments and Sanders paydays, things like that. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this beautiful, beautiful workbook. So glad that I finally got my hands on this book. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as well as visiting my Etsy shop, and follow me on Instagram at VetaBudgets. So definitely see you guys next time. Peace.